Hello everyone, Andrew T-Bolt 1000T for life here. Well, I've got nothing else to do and I'm just really bored right now, so figured I'd make a video of well, you're just about to see. About 4 quarts of Valvoline MAX LIFE 10W30 for my car when it comes time to change the oil. Ought to be any minute. Oh, I mean, I'm just kidding. Not any minute. Whenever it reaches 128,000 miles, that's what. It's at 100. It's close to. It's really close to that too. Well, first of all, O'Reilly Auto Parts didn't have any Purolator filters, oil filters. I don't think they even sell them. So, but they do carry wicks and Fram. I ain't gonna buy Fram. Fram is garbage. So, I bought a Wix. 51040. If y'all didn't know, this is what a Code W 2.8 with a V6 engine and a Pontiac 6000 uses for an oil filter. Set up. Please excuse the mess. It's just it'll be all cleaned up tomorrow. My new bed is coming tomorrow. It's a queen size bed with a low profile box spring. Yep. So stay tuned for that. I'll be making a video of that tomorrow morning after the delivery guys delivered here. So peace.